If you're managing multiple projects or clients inside QuickBooks, keeping everything organized can make a huge difference. And today, I'll show you exactly how to add a job in QuickBooks the right way. By the end of this quick guide, you'll know how to set up jobs cleanly, keep your records updated, and make your workflow smoother than ever. Let's jump right in. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your email and password. Double check for any typos and log in. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it autofill securely. After you're signed in, you'll land on your QuickBooks dashboard. From here, look for the Customers and Leads section. This is where all customer details live, including any jobs you add beneath them. Click into that section, then open the Customers tab to view your full customer list. Now scroll through your list and select the customer you want to add a job for. Once their profile opens, look for the Edit button. Go ahead and click it. This is where you'll be able to customize details and attach new jobs to the customer. Inside the editing panel, you'll see an option labeled Is a Sub-Customer. This is the key step. Check that box to indicate you're creating a job that belongs under your main customer. When you do this, an option will appear allowing you to choose the parent customer. Select the main customer so QuickBooks knows exactly where this job belongs. This keeps your entire project structure clean and easy to navigate. Next, head to the company name field. This is where you'll enter the job title or position. Whatever name you want to use to identify the job, make it clear and descriptive so you can easily track it later, especially if a customer has multiple open jobs. Once everything looks accurate, click Save QuickBooks. We'll store your new job under the correct customer, and you'll be able to access and manage it anytime. And that's it. Simple, efficient, and done in just a few steps. Adding jobs the smart way helps you stay organized and gives you better visibility into your workload, billing, and project history. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe. I've got plenty more QuickBooks tips and tricks coming your way. Thanks for watching.